The engine's leaked half the oil out on the table already, and I didn't notice it. That's my makeshift oil catcher from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I gotta clean this mess up. I just wanted to show how much carbon buildup is on the valves here in the piston. When I took the head off, I completely polished these, and within, say, 3 months, they got this much oil carbon buildup on here, and that's not good. So oil is definitely leaking into the cylinder somehow. So it's either the rings or a bad valve sleeve. So we're gonna find that out once I get the engine completely disassembled. So if you look here at the exhaust valve, I can actually move it. So the sleeve is probably gone. I don't know if the rings are okay or not, but I'm gonna replace them anyways. You see the cylinder is still good, nice and smooth. But yeah, that's not supposed to move at all. The intake is okay though. But yeah. So I wanted to show this really cool thing. It's on the bottom of the piston. It kind of counteracts the weight of the piston. If you can see here, it's kind of scratched off, but that's a synchro balanced on the shroud. And so basically this is the synchro balancer. It's a weight on the other side of the piston, so when the piston comes up, that's down, and when the piston goes back down, this comes up. So kind of stops the vibration. And this thing has a really long stroke. The piston's way down there. Okay, so I've pretty much got it just down to the block. We're preparing to get the valves out. My dad's gonna help me with that because we gotta compress the springs that are in here. But right now he's cleaning off some stuff because there's a lot of stuff to clean. Got the sump cover, the camshaft, and the gears, and the governor over here, and lifters, and piston, and so on and so on. And this piston is huge. It's like the size of a car piston, literally. But yeah, that's how far we've got. And we're going to try to get the valve springs compressed and get them out of there. So yeah. Okay, so basically my dad made this tool, and
What do you do with it? Put it on top of the spring
oh
so that it press the outside.
yeah, I didn't get it on camera, so we're gonna have to like kind of pretend here. So push the outside of the spring, which you can't see right now, and then woohoo, this pops out, yeah. Pull out the valve, yay, and then the spring. So yeah, so as he's cleaning over there, thanks for helping me. I would have never thought of that. I actually didn't I didn't know how this worked, because the intake, this simple, I move it to one side, and it's a little, simple move it to one side and, take it off. But this has these two little kind of tapered things, And did I lost one? And so basically, they go inside there, and as the spring pushes down on them, they get tighter and they hold it in place. So just something to know when you're taking off valves, because you might run into this on 8 horsepower brakes. So yeah. So we got the table all clean again at the tech shop, which let us use their tools and stuff. So check it out if you're around one. Tech shop. But so here's all the stuff here. The block doesn't look too nice; kind of looks old and rusty. But everything else we kind of polished up and bagged up. Pistons in that bag and some other internal parts and the heads over there. So yeah, but look out for some soon to come videos of the rebuild. This was the teardown, and yeah. So thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe.